Hi everyone. Today we are looking at this handy electric egg cooker. If you are tired of guessing boil times on the stove, this little gadget promises to make the perfect egg every time. Let's break down what's included and how to actually use it. First, the hardware. You got the main unit with a stainless steel heating plate. It's a simple one-button operation using the power switch on the front. Accessories wise, it comes with an egg tray that holds up to 7 eggs, a clear lid with a built-in steam vent, and a very important measuring cup. If you look at the bottom of that cup, there is a small pin. Don't lose this, we will need it in a second. To get started, you need to add water. The amount of water determines how done your eggs will be. Pour your measured cold water directly onto the heating plate. Next, grab your eggs. Here is the pro tip. Use the pin on the bottom of the measuring cup to pierce the flat side of each egg. This prevents the shells from cracking while they steam. Place them in the tray with the pierced side facing up. Then pop the lid on top. Switch the power on and the indicator light will kick on. Now, how much water do you actually need? The manual has a specific chart. For example, if you are doing 7 hard-boiled eggs, you will need 57 milliliters of water. Interestingly, the fewer eggs you cook, the more water you need because there is more empty space for steam to fill. Once the water evaporates, the appliance automatically switches off. Just be careful when lifting the lid that steam is hot. Cleanup is actually pretty easy. The lid, egg tray and measuring cup are all dishwasher safe. Just make sure they go on the top rack. For the main heating base, never submerge it in water. Just wait for it to cool and wipe it down with a damp cloth to keep that heating plate looking new. Overall, it's a set it and forget it solution for breakfast prep. If you want them extra firm, the manual suggests leaving them in the unit for a few extra minutes after it clicks up. If you are interested in picking one of these up, you can get this product from the link below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.